beautiful makeup lovers. Today I'm so excited. I have to show you my last purchase from Kaleidos. As you might know, Angelica has made a collaboration with Kaleidos and has created a new palette that's so beautiful. The name of the palette is the Club Nebula, and the palette is so reflecting her mood, her way of life. The colors are so hers. I'm really happy for her. I ordered the palette on the release date in January, and it took around 1 month to be delivered to my address. It was a very long waiting time. However, I also bought the PR box. This is the PR box. You see, it's very huge, and it is really well packaged, because you see you have 2 layers of these plastic sheets, and after that inside you have the palette. I also bought the Escape Pod palette that was released, I guess, 1.5 years ago around. I was not so impressed at the first time I saw the palette, but after trying Kaleidos quality, I decided that I would also try a more colorful palette from Kaleidos. So let's get started with the Escape Pod. The Escape Pod, the palettes are quite bulky, but even though I prefer a small thin palette, these are so beautiful. That's not a big issue. I have spaced the room there, both of them. This is the palette. This is the outside. I think you already saw a lot of reviews about this palette, and this is the inside. It's so beautiful. That's so colorful. But even it's a colorful palette, you have a lot of neutral shades, so you can go for a more catching, colorful look, or with a more nude, neutral look. So I've not swatched the palette yet. I've used it this morning, the Nebula one. You see, I have 3 or 4 colors on the eye. So let's begin with swatching the Escape Pod, and I will do my swatch on this arm. The name are printed on the palette. I love when the name are printed on the palette instead of being on the removable plastic that is useless for me. I just keep them to save the mirror. I think in my previous videos, instead of saying mirror, I said the glasses. Sorry. Okay, so let's start with the first row, and this is the outside card box, and this is the palette itself. It's so beautiful. The print on the palette is really gorgeous. Okay, let's go on, and these are the colors inside the palette. This is a little bit bold palette respect of the Escape one. You have more dark colors in number. I've used Rock Hopper, Astro, and You Are My Only Hope. Okay, this is I put You Are My Only Hope in the half inner part of my eyes, but it doesn't look so lilac because I pair with Astro. Okay, let's get started with the swatches. The first one, lovely palette, and the quality seems to be as Kaleidos quality always is, so it's great one. I was willing to receive this palette before, however I heard that there should be another restock in the upcoming weeks, so I will try to prepare a few looks with the Nebula palette. Escape Pod is a permanent one. I hope you enjoy it, and see you soon. Bye.